Hey guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your Discord to OBS. So in this case, open and log in your Discord account from any browser like Chrome browser or any browser. Then go back to OBS Studio. After opening OBS, you just straight go to this plus icon and you'll find on top application audio capture. Click this one and just backspace, remove it and write here Discord. Just click on OK. Now you'll find a window here. Just click this window and it will be showing Discord. Just finding, hold on. Okay, you can see here this one, Chrome exe Discord. Just click this Discord and click on OK. You can see here your Discord is added. So guys, this is how you can add Discord in OBS Studio. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.